Okay, Shubhangi, good morning. And today these are the mock interview session. Okay, on a Golang, the chapter is a pointer. Okay, so here we are going to ask the questions that are actually going to ask you in the interview. Okay, when you are going to give the interview in any company, that may be a local or MNC company, there is a questions they are going to ask you the same kind of question we are going to I am going to ask you. So here you have to give the proper answer of that. Okay, so this is a simulation of a real interview here. So just we are doing the practices, so you have to think means consider it as your real interview, live interview, and according to that you have to respond and behave. Okay, so right now Shugwambi, once again can you explain me about yourself, or can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm Shubhangi More. I have completed currently. I have completed my graduation in computer engineering from Indira College of Engineering, SPP University. The, with aggregate point 7.17. Upcoming to my programming knowledge, I have a basic knowledge about C, C++, and currently I am learning Go programming language. That's all about me.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the feature of Go programming language? Why Go language is preferable for developing a project, even there is already technology they have? Mute करा यार.
Programming language, and there are so many features available. Go programming language is a simple and very uh, simple syntax there, and Go programming language having present a Go routine. It is helpful to run code easily, and it is
Okay. Okay, fine. Now, so moving back to our main Golang pointer chapter here. So here, Deepak, can you tell me what is a pointer in a Golang? Deepak, can you tell me what is the pointer in a Golang? I am asking you. Okay, so now Sheetal, can you give the answer of the same question?
yes, sir, definitely. So pointer is a variable which is used to store the memory address of another variable.
Okay, so pointer is a variable, and pointer variable is a memory variable that stores the variable address, memory address of the another variable. Okay, so here now okay, now Shubhambi, is your turn here.
Pointer is the variable that hold memory address of another pointer, and it represent by pointer is represent by using asterisk mark.
Okay, yeah. So it holds the address of another pointer. You have said means what? You have told the pointer means variable that hold the another pointer. Yes. Yeah, it's a memory of another pointer. Okay, now. Okay. So right now coming to the next question. How do you declare a pointer in a Go? Deepak. How do you declare a pointer in a Go? Okay, Sheetal.
Yes, sir. Var keyword, variable name, star, and data type.
Where keyword variable name star and data type. You mean?
Yes.
Okay. Shuvangi?
Yes, sir. Where keyword variable name star and data type.
Okay, so in this way you can declare the pointer variable. Okay, so right now here the third question is how do you obtain the address of a variable in a Go? Suppose there is some other variable, you have to obtain the address of that variable in a Golang. How do you do? Deepak. Yes, Deepak, there is some variable. I want to get the address of that variable. How can I obtain that address of the variable in a Golang? Sheetal?
Using address of operator.
Using address of operator. So yeah. So now Shubhangi.
Sir, same address operator. Yeah, like and operator पण म्हणू शकतो ना सर आपण त्याला?
Yeah, yes, it is called as the AND operator or address of operator. Okay. So now Deepak is now turn of the Deepak. How do you access the value pointed by the pointer in a Go? Suppose pointer have point to some other variable and I want to access that other variable value using the pointer. How can I do that? Okay, no, here. So Deepak said no. Okay, Sheetal.
Yes, sir. You mean to say that if we are storing the address of specific variable, we want to get the value of that point.
Yes,
Yeah, using dereferencing operator, sir.
yeah, using a dereferencing operator that is called as a star.
Dereferencing.
Okay, so here where to use the star? To use the star to the pointer variable or the target variable that is whose address is stored.
The variable which have stored the address.
Okay, yeah, Shubhangi.
Yes, sir. Same, sir. Dereferencing.
Same. Okay. So here Deepak, can you tell me what is the zero value of a pointer in a Golang? Yes, please come again. What is the zero value of a pointer in a Golang? Yes, you can talk here. Yeah. What is the zero value of a pointer in a Golang? Null. Is it null?
No,
Can
sir.
you tell me the spelling? What is mean by zero value? What is mean by zero value? Shubhangi?
नील वैल्यू मतलब सर स्पेलिंग सांगू का?
What is mean by nil value?
नील वैल्यू it means there are suppose we नील value means there is no any value.
There is no any value. Okay. And what is the nil value of a pointer? Sorry, what is the zero value of a pointer?
Zero value means nil value. Sir, suppose we want to check the value is present or not. That's time we use nil. If nil not equal to.
Okay, yeah. So now Sheetal.
Sir, by default value of any type of variable, that time that value is called as zero value.
And what is the zero value of a pointer?
Yeah, sir. Zero value of pointer is nil. By default, pointer having nil if we not storing address of any variable.
Okay, good. Okay. So right now here The moving forward to the Deepak, how do you check if a pointer is a nil in a Go? If there is a pointer, you have to check whether it pointer is a nil or not. If it is not nil, then you have to dereference it or perform any operation. Or if it is a nil, then you have to give the message the pointer does not point to anything. So what is mean by nil value? Means how to check the nil value of a pointer in a Go. Okay, Shubhangi.
Nil value check by using if, sir, not equal if not equal to and nil, and then after if the value is nil, then print the message the
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
got
yeah,
it.
got it.
Shital, how to check
How
the
to check the
pointer is a nil or not?
pointer variable name is not equal to nil? It means is that there is a. Please could you repeat question once
My
again?
question is that I want to check the variable is a nil or not. Pointer variable is a nil or not. I want to check this. How can I do it?
Sir, by using dereferencing operator, if we dereference that variable, it do not print. Sorry, it gives the error. It means is that that variable is not storing address of any variable.
Okay. Yeah. So now coming back to the Deepak here, can you use the new function to create a pointer in a Go? What is the new function in a Go? Can I use a new function in a Go to create the pointer? Shubhangi?
Shubhangi? Yes, sir. You can use new function in Go to allocate the memory to variable.
Allocate the
Allocate
memory
the
to the
memory to
variable.
the variable.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So,
what is the
what is the
purpose of the
purpose of the
new function
new function
actually?
actually?
Can you give me
Can you give me
example?
example?
Suppose I
Suppose
want
I
to
want
use the
to use
new
the new
function.
function.
So how can
So,
I
how
use?
can I use? New functions are suppose we want to use new function and take take a shorthand variable and a new करून दाखवायचं कसं की
No,
असं
can you tell
सांग.
me
Current is
syntax?
syntax.
Just
Just
tell me the
tell me
syntax.
the syntax. Okay, sir. Uh, Variable shorthand operator new and curly bracket मध्ये डेटा टाइप लिहावा लागतो. बरोबर.
Listen to me one
Listen to me
thing.
one thing.
Mute.
You
Listen to the.
listen to the.
Okay, so there is a no need to explain each and everything. Just explain the thing which I want to expect, which I expect. Okay, so just I want to how to use the new function. So just you have to call the new function and pass some argument to him. Only that. There is no need to say it's a shorthand variable and all that things. Okay, just only the explain those things highlighted. Okay, so yeah, tell me.
Just declare new function and data type and uh, initialize the value.
Shital.
Chetan? New function in the parenthesis data type as a parameter.
They type as a pattern. So what is the purpose of the new function? Means what they are doing?
So new function is used to create the pointer dynamically.
Create the pointer dynamically. Okay, so creating a pointer means what? What is the concept of creating a pointer?
It means it's creating the address for storing the variable of specific data type.
Okay, so this sentence you have to tell it allocate the memory for the new data type. Okay, for the new data type. Okay, So that is the purpose of here. Okay, so right now uh, new function written anything or not? What thing is written by the new function? First thing that
Sir, it return pointer.
it is a
Pointer of that data type.
pointer. Pointer means
Pointer means memory
okay.
address,
It
sir.
returns the memory address of the allocated memory location. Okay, good. So now coming back to the Deepak here. Deepak, what is the difference between new and make in a Go? Okay. Shubhangi, what is the difference between new and make in a Go?
Sir, I have no idea.
You don't have. Did you learn the make function in a slice, in a array,
Difference
map?
kind of.
No, is array, no, is map or slice. Did you learn the make? Have you used the make function? Shizal?
Yes, sir. Make is a function. It is a function used for the slice and map also. It is used for the creation of map and slice. And new is a function which is used for creating the pointer dynamically.
Okay. Here, can you compare a two pointer in a Go, Deepak? Can you compare a two pointer in a Go? If yes, then how? Shubhangi? Yeah. Can you compare a two pointer in a Go? Which operator they are? Which operator used to compare the pointer in a Go? Sheetal? Sheetal?
Sir, actually, I have not seen the concept of pointer comparison, but in memory, every location has a specific address. That's why we can't compare it with anyone. But if we have to compare, we can compare them by using equal to operator, equal to equal operator.
Yeah, just I
Just
want to
I
know.
want to know.
Shubhangi. Okay, so here just I want to know, can I compare the two pointer in a Go? If yes, then which operator is used? Just you have to talk about this thing, not to tell
Not
anything.
yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. We can
Yes,
compare.
which operator is there are used to compare the pointer, two pointer?
Equal to equal to.
Equal to, you have to tell it is not equal to equal to, you can say it is the equal to, but for doing the equal to there is a two symbol equal to, but the name of this set it is only equal to. Okay, there is a equal to, then anything other operator is there?
Sorry, sir. I don't remember.
Is there any not equal to operator?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, so this thing you have to tell here, because anything you can compare by using equal to, so obviously it can be compared by doing the not equal to. Or not equal to is the operator also is exists there, so that's you have to mention this operator here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so right now here, now the moving to the next here, how do you pass a pointer to a function in a Go? Deepak, Ganga, you have to join right now. Deepak, how do you pass a pointer to a function in a Go? Suppose there is a function and I want to pass the pointer as an argument to that function. Is it possible? First thing that, if yes, then how? Yes, then how? Shubhangi, how to pass a pointer to the function in a Go? Ganga, you have to join. Okay, Sheetal,
Yes, sir. We can pass pointer as a parameter. If we have to pass pointer as a parameter, then in the function definition parameter list, we can mention the data type of parameter as a star and data type name. And in the function calling, we can pass the address of that specific variable to the calling function.
Yeah, yes, but we have to mention not a passing a parameter, passing argument. Okay, so
Yes, sir. Sorry, passing
yes,
argument.
when you are passing actual value to the function at the time of function calling, so that concept is nothing but the passing argument. And the parameter means what? You are declaring the list of variables in the function parenthesis. Okay, so that is called as a parameter. So here, what pointer type you are passing as argument to the parameter, you need to declare the same type of the parameter in a function parenthesis. Okay, so both things should be compatible. Okay, so right now here, coming back to the Deepak, how do you return a pointer from a function in a Go? First thing, that is it possible to return a pointer from the function? Then how? Yeah. Okay, Shubhangi, how do you return a
How do you
pointer
return a
from a
pointer
function in
from
a
a
Go?
function in a row?
We can return pointer by using pointer, sir.
Okay, Shital.
Yes, sir. We can return pointer from a function. File defining function, we can mention pointer as a return type by using any data type like star and data type.
Okay.
At the
So
yeah.
So
Ganga, can you
then,
tell me tell me about yourself?
Sir, first of all, I would like to say thank you, sir. Introduce to myself. My name is Ganga Prasad Malikarjun Shirade. Basically, I am from Parbhani district. Then my family background is I have one brother and one sister. My father is a farmer, also uh, mother also house worker. Then my education qualification is I have completed BTech in Government College of Engineering Yavatmal in previous year. Then I have in 12th 68.46 percentage. And then I have completed 10th in NVS Marathwada High School Parbhani with 91 percentage. Right now I have tried to as a Golang developer. So that's about myself.
Yeah. Okay, so can you tell me what are the feature of a Golang? Why you Golang? Why Golang prepared for developing projects? Even there is also other technologies available.
Because of sir, Golang is a open source programming language. Then Golang is scalable. Then also garbage collection. Then it support Golang support concurrency. Then Golang as compared to C, compatibility with C.
ठीक है. So here,
so here,
Ganga, can you tell me
Ganga, can you
how
tell
to
me how to
return a pointer from
return
the
a pointer
function?
from the function?
Sir, we cannot pass return type in pointer.
Okay, right now. So here,
So
moving
here,
forward,
moving forward,
mute. Okay. Deepak, can you tell me what is a pointer dereferencing in a Go? What is mean by pointer dereferencing? Shivangi,
Point, sir, pointer dereferencing basically used to refer to retrieve the memory address from the.
Ganga, what do you mean by pointer dereferencing? Ganga, here, look at camera.
Yes,
Look at
sir.
the camera. Don't look at anywhere.
Okay, sir. Sorry,
Maintain eye
sir.
contact.
Okay, sir. Derepressing, sir.
Ye-
What question?
What is the pointer dereferencing?
Sir, actually, I can't remember. I
Look
know,
at the
but
camera, Ganga. You are not looking at the camera. Where
sir,
is the camera?
I was looking straight.
You are looking straight. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Ganga. Sheetal? Sheetal?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Pointer dereferencing. Suppose, sir, there is a variable which store the memory address of another variable. It means it is pointer, and now we have to get the value at that address stored. That time we use the dereferencing operator.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Okay. So now, Ganga, tell me,
Yes, sir.
how do you perform pointer arithmetic in a Go?
Arithmetic and go.
Yeah. How do you perform pointer arithmetic in a Go?
We cannot, sir, use arithmetic operation in pointer.
We cannot do. Is there any way to perform the arithmetic operation in a Golang on a pointer?
What, sir? I don't understand.
Okay, you not understand. Just 1 second. Shivangi,
sir, question.
same question is there. So, how to perform a pointer arithmetic in Go?
Uh, you can we can use pointer. We can use pointer in arithmetic, but it is not legal for or it it is not legal for use. काय करूया?
Sheetal?
Sir, we can perform arithmetic operation on pointer in other programming language, but Go do not support any kind of arithmetic operation to perform on pointers.
Okay. So, suppose if I want to still perform arithmetic operation on a pointer, so is there any way to do that in a Golang?
No, sir, there is no any way to perform the arithmetic operation on
Okay, but
pointers.
your kind of information Go initially not have inbuilt support for pointer arithmetic, but there is a the package Golang provided to perform low level arithmetic, that is called as the unzip package. Okay, so I think this topic we have not covered in your pointer chapter, but if you are doing the study regarding the pointer, so it does not mean you have to learn the only the things that have covered into the syllabus or in your class. Beyond that, there is a technology vast. So if you want to prepare, so you need to explore the things beyond your class syllabus. Okay, because class syllabus is designed for the specific duration. Okay, and in that duration they are cover only essential things that is required to get the job into the company. Okay, so beyond that, the anything, because technology is very vast, and you have to learn the things, explore the things yourself. Okay, by using the internet or any other the media and sources. Okay, so right now here answer is here. Deepak, can you tell me? No, already I told you here pointer does not support the pointer arithmetic. Then there you have the chance right now to obtain the marks, actually telling the same thing here. You have to use your presence of mind here. Okay, because I call you the last, it means what, you have the lot of cheats. Okay, and lot of the reference what other people are giving their answer, and as per my response you can consider or think whether it is the right or not. Okay, so based on that you have to use your presence of mind and give the answer. So you lost there your marks here. Okay, in an interview, or if there is a some in a when are going to in an interview, so sometimes they are going interview in a parallelly in a among multiple candidate. So in that situation you have to observe the other candidates answers, apply your judgments, and collecting the response from the panel, all that things. You even you don't know the answer of that question, but still you can find out the judgment, okay, whether it is the correct or not. Okay, so this thing you should keep remember. So now moving forward here, now Shubhangi, can you tell me, can you create a pointer to point in a Go? Can you create the pointer of another pointer in a Go?
Yes, sir.
How? Deepak? What is the pointer to pointer? Yes, pointer to pointer means what? Okay. Uh, Ganga? What is mean by pointer to pointer?
Sir, suppose one variable store in firstly in one pointer, then this using this first pointer address to pass another pointer to pointer.
Sheetal?
Sorry, sir. Sir, pointer to pointer is a variable which store the address of another pointer.
Another pointer variable. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that. Ha. Okay, so here, Ganga, can you explain the concept of pointer receiver in a Go method?
Pointer
In a Go
receiver.
method. What is the concept of a pointer receiver in a Go method?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Yeah, Shubhangi? Deepak? Sheetal?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
what is mean by? Explain the concept of a
What?
pointer receiver in a Go method.
Okay, sir. Pointer receiver means, sir, when we define any kind of function, when we use any function of struct, that time we, in the function definition, we mention the receiver of that function. That time we can file calling that function. We can call that function using the address of specific variable and that pointer variable, and that address pass into the receiver of function.
Uh, can you tell me how to pass the address? How to call that function? Uh, how to call the receiver function in a Golang
Using object of struct.
using object address. Suppose object of struct is a dot add method. Okay, so is
Yes,
there
sir.
any need to pass the memory address of anything?
At receiver. No, sir.
No. So exact receiver means what? Means I get confused from your answer. Can you explain?
Sir, I can explain about receiver, but I can't explain about pointer receiver for now, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. Ganga, can you tell me what is the advantage of pointer receiver in a Go?
Advantage.
Yeah, what is the advantage of pointer receiver in Go?
We can store another variable of address in.
Shivangi?
Uh, pointer pointer is used to.
Sheetal?
Yes, sir. We can save memory, preventing the which data there is no need to copy. That time we can use that concept. Some kind of data there is no need to copy that time.
Deepak? No.
So,
So, can you tell me, Shivangi, how does Go's garbage collector affect the pointers? Yeah.
sorry, sir.
Sheetal? How does Go garbage collector differ affect the pointers?
Sorry, sir. I don't know about this.
Deepak, Ganga,
Don't know,
you
sir.
don't know. Here, what is a nil pointer dereference and how can it be avoided? Ganga?
Sir, a nil pointer, first of all, we have only create one pointer that are nil, and then using this nil pointer variable, we have store another variable,
Did you
a
understand the
passing.
question? What is the nil pointer dereference? What is the nil pointer dereference?
Nil value store the another variable using.
Okay. Shivangi? Shivangi? What is the nil pointer dereference?
No, sir.
Deepak? What is the nil pointer dereference? Sheetal?
Sir, nil pointer dereference means the pointer variable which do not store the memory address of any variable.
Okay.
And that time we can't dereference that variable because it is not storing the address of any kind of
Okay.
variable. And if we try to dereference it, program will give error. That's why we need to check whether it is storing any kind of address or not. It can be done by using the nil operator. Is
Okay.
not
So
equal to
program
nil.
give a error or any kind of miss at a runtime error or a compile time error.
It gives the panic error.
Panic means it's a runtime error. Okay. So here, how to avoid the nil pointer dereference in a Golang?
Checking it by whether it is nil or not
Okay.
by using not nil operator.
Not nil operator. Is there any not nil operator available?
Not equal to
Not
nil,
equal.
sir.
Not equal to nil. Okay. So moving forward. So how do you initialize a pointer to a struct in a Go? Shivangi. Shivangi,
Yes, sir.
how to initialize the pointer to struct variable? What are the way?
I'm not able to.
Ganga?
Sir, first of all, we have create the struct, then create this struct object, and this object we have passed the address,
Mhm.
and then we have
So listen to me. No
assigned the
need
value.
to explain all that things. Just there is a using ampersand operator of a struct in the front of a struct object. Okay. By using ampersand operator, we can initialize the pointer to struct variable. Okay. These are the first way. Is there any other way?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Deepak. Okay. Sheetal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Initialization of, please, could you repeat at once,
Okay.
please?
So I want to initialize the pointer to struct. Okay. So there is a pointer to struct variable. I want to initialize it. So how can I initialize it?
Sir, first of all, initialization means assigning value to a variable at the time of its
Mhm.
declaration only. That's
Mhm.
why here we are declaring variable of pointer type, but it is of struct type. That means we follow the same syntax which is we follow for the predefined data type like variable name, var variable name and aesthetic mark and data type. At the place of data type, we can mention the name of the struct which we have created and is equal to address of object of that
Okay.
struct
Okay.
type.
Is there another way? Is there another way to create?
So we can create using new also if we are passing that struct as a data type to the new function. We can we can create using new function also.
My question is that my question is uh, means addressing the thing that what are the way we can initialize the pointer to struct variable. I can and I could not, and it might don't. I want don't kind of answers. I just want the answer of that thing, whether it is or not, and how it is. According to me, I can't, and I don't want these kind of things. Okay. Just my question is what are the way to initialize the pointer to struct variable. Okay. So just you have to explain it the things. No need to tell I can and can't and as per me and no extra discussion here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right now, what happen if you dereference a nil pointer in a go? Yes, Ganga.
Sir, final output is give you nil.
Have you listened the question carefully?
Yes, sir. Again, please.
What happen if you try to dereference the nil pointer?
Sir, this dereferencing value store in nil pointer.
Okay. Hmm. Ganga. Yes. Deepak. No. Why, Deepak? You are giving up all the questions. Even you are not try to answer the question all the thing directly. Just uh, shaking the your neck and telling no. Okay, Shubhangi, Sheetal.
Runtime
Yeah,
error, sir, panic.
obviously in last already.
Because I have told this thing
Yes,
before.
if you try to dereference the nil pointer, at time you will get the panic, runtime panic. So that's why Ganga, I given the hint you. Have you read the question carefully? But still you not okay. So you lost your marks. So here, Shubhangi, how do you copy a struct using a pointer to go?
Copy.
Shital,
Using memory address, sir. Address of
how?
operator.
How do you copy struct using a pointer in a Go? Suppose there is a one pointer, they point some address of another struct, and I want to copy all the structs which the pointer have already pointed into the another variable. Yeah.
Using dereferencing also we can. Using
So can
dereferencing,
you
sir.
tell me just one line of code how can we achieve?
Okay, sir. Suppose we are taking a pointer as a parameter into the any kind of
Hmm.
function.
Yes.
Just a second, sir. We can create any kind of variable and uh, is equal to star and that variable name, sir.
That variable name is the pointer variable. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Yes.
nothing, sir.
Okay. Mm, that's ठीक है ना worry. But it will taking a lot of time because creating the struct and that thing because there's so much time it will take. Okay. No worry. I will send you the answer key of this question so you can justify yourself. Okay. So here Ganga, do you know the
Yes, sir. Using
how?
dereferencing. First of all, we have create sir one variable. Then we have store.
Look at in front of
Uh,
camera. Look at in front of camera. Look at me. Huh? Here. Yes. Tell me.
huh. It's okay.
Don't see the laptop. Yeah.
First of all, we have create firstly variable. Then another uh, pointer variable we have store passing the
Huh.
reference of
Struct. Yeah.
first variable uh, struct, and this
I
type
want to
of.
copy all the pointer member into another struct.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
So here, Ganga, can you tell me how can I modify the original value of a variable using a pointer in a function? I want to modify the value of a variable inside the other function by using a pointer. Okay. Shivangi,
सर पॉइंटर म्हणजे पॉइंटर घ्यायचा आणि त्याला इक्वल टू करून व्हॅल्यू असाइन करायची.
okay. Deepak, question is that suppose there is a function. Inside that function, I want to modify the value of a variable. Okay, that variable is outside that function using a pointer. This scenario is there is a name for this scenario. What is the name for this scenario actually? Shital? Yeah.
Sir, it is a scenario. It is called by reference. We can call that function by passing the address of variable, and function definition will take the address of that variable and assign another value to that
Okay.
variable.
ठीक है. So now here, Shivangi, can I pass pointer to an array in a Go?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can I pass the pointer to array in a function in a Go?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. How?
सर ते मला असं एक्सप्लेन नाही
Oh,
करता
if
येत.
you don't explain, then how you will get selected in interview? How I how interview panel know you know the answer of this kind of questions? Even you know genuinely, but you're not able to explain in front of the other peoples, then how they are going to evaluate you? Okay. Uh, Deepak. No, sir. Yeah. Ganga.
Yes, sir. Firstly, we have declare the array and then assign the value. Then we have another name of create pointer, and then firstly created variable passing to the address.
My question is that there is some function. I want to pass the pointer to array to that function. How?
Call by parameter, sir. असं म्हणा एक.
Okay. Sheetal.
Yes, sir. Function which take pointer as a parameter. Sorry, array pointer as a parameter. It is called as array pointer function.
Okay. Yeah. Deepak. Tell me, how do you iterate over the array using a pointer? Yes. No. Sheetal. How do you iterate over array using a pointer in a Go? There is a pointer to array. Okay. And I need to iterate the all the array using the pointer. How? Ganga.
Sir, using range for loop,
Range. And how?
for loop, passing their reference.
Then. Okay. Shubhangi.
Yes, sir. For loop range.
What? For?
Sir, for loop use for range.
For range, by using for range. Yes, how can you tell me just one line of code? Okay, Shital, can you tell me what is the relationship between slice and pointer in a Go?
Yes, sir. Slice is also pointer. It means slice also store the memory address of the values which it has stored.
Okay, Ganga,
Yes, sir. Slice already given pointer.
slice is already the pointer, which point to the
It is inbuilt function, sir, in
Shubhangi.
slice.
Deepak. Okay, so here, Sheetal, how does Go handle a pointer to slice?
Sir, could you explain your question in more briefly?
Here, it means what? Suppose there is a slice and I create the object of, I create the pointer that point to that slice. So by using that pointer, how you handle the slice? Handle means was how to modify the element of the slice, display the element of the slice.
By using dereferencing operator slice name in square bracket index, where at that index value we have to modify.
By using
Dereference operator slice name square bracket index, at that we have to modify the value is equal to value which we have to assign to that particular index.
yeah, Shubhangi, Deepak, Ganga.
Yes, sir. Using their slice index.
Slice index means what actually? Just suppose there is a pointer to slice. Can you declare the pointer to slice? How to declare a pointer to slice?
Where x equal to uh, star int and then assign their value. Then we have modify using their index. For example, slice name in square bracket, passing their index name,
Suppose
index
the
number,
scenario, take the
and then
scenario here. There is a one pointer variable that point to the slice. Okay, and I want to pass that pointer variable, or I want to use that pointer variable, and whatever the value into the slice, I want to handle that value. How can I do that? Okay, so Sheetal, can you tell me, suppose I want to pass the pointer to slice to the function. So what will be the parameter type of that function that take the pointer to slice as argument?
We have to pass the address of a slice to
But
the function.
what will be the,
No, sir, I am
yeah,
asking
yes,
you. You are
I
talking
want to
about this.
pass the
Yes.
pointer to slice as a
Pointer slice
parameter,
as a
as the
parameter.
argument. So
Okay, as an
when I
argument.
passing as the argument to the function as a pointer to slice, what will be the parameter type should be declared in a function definition?
Okay, sir. Slice, we have to pass the slice. Huh? Yeah. Star data type. Sorry, star square bracket data type.
Okay. So here, now the question is another question. Okay, so here Ganga, can you tell me what are the common pitfalls of using a pointer in a Go?
sir, we have cannot use arithmetic operator in pointer. Then we have cannot pass in the return type in function. These two are the pitfalls of pointer.
Pitfalls nahi, it's a pitfalls.
pitfalls. We also say pitfalls
Yeah,
disadvantage.
yes. Okay. Sheetal?
Sir, pitfall mean disadvantages or advantages?
That's you should know that thing. Why you are asking to me? Because pitfall word you should know. Being an engineer, you should know the what is the meaning of the pitfalls. Okay, because the vocabulary should have the vocabulary. Yes. Okay, Shubhangi. Deepak. Okay, no. So now here, question number. How do you allocate a memory for a pointer to a slice in a Go? Deepak. How to allocate a memory for a pointer to slice in a Go? Shubhangi.
So question that.
Where is your attention? I am asking how do you allocate a memory for a pointer to a slice in a Go? No.
Sorry, sir. I
Ganga.
First of all, we have sir create pointer variable.
Hmm?
then we have declare variable and assign their value. Then using firstly declare pointer variable name equal to
I already
uh,
told you there is no need to explain all the code. Just tell me the only thing which is required to initialize. Okay. No need to explain the I have declared a variable is equal to
using their memory location
memory. How?
reference. Using
Suppose there is a slice. Okay. And I want to initialize some pointer variable that point to the slice. How? Or suppose there is a variable that variable is the pointer to slice, but it stores the address of the slice. So how many way I can store the address of the slice into that pointer variable? That is called as the initialization of pointer. Sheetal?
We follow the same syntax as we follow. P square bracket variable name. Sorry. Yes, sir. In the data type of creating the pointer, we should mention a star square bracket and data type of a slice, which we're going to store into that variable is equal to address of slice.
Simple thing yet. Suppose already you have told me that thing. There is a variable pointer variable that store the address of the slice. So that is need to store the address of slice by using an ampersand operation of the slice by using a new function. That's thing. These those two things.
ते नावच आठवण गेलं मी असं करू लागलो तरी
You don't do like this. असं करू लागलो तसं करू लागलो वो बोलेगा क्या वो भेजेगा फिर सिग्नल पे जाओ ठीक है. Okay, so here how to declare a variable as a pointer to map. Deepak, how to create the pointer variable that point to the map? What's the pointer to map? How to declare?
Yes, sir. How to declare point to map and make function.
Repeat. I have to declare a pointer variable that point the मतलब that store the address of a map. Okay. Shubhangi, Ganga,
sir variable name equal to ampersand and then
Shital.
Sir, if you don't know about syntax, we can simply take the shorthand variable and pass the address of map variable. And if we know about the syntax, then we can
Listen to
make
me question. I want to declare the variable. I want to declare a variable that store the address of a map. How to declare that variable? That's my question. I'm not talking about the assignment and initialization. Declaration and initialization both are different things. You are talking about the initialization, but I'm asking about the declaration. So how to declare that?
var variable name and star key type, data type, and map.
Star, key type and data type. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here, what is a dangling pointer? I have teach you the dangling pointer before. Shital? Dangling pointer
Dynamic.
I not teach you in the class.
No sir.
So I want to create the variable that store the memory address of the function. How to declare that variable? Simply I want to create the pointer to function in a Golang. How to declare a pointer to function in a Golang? Deepak, how to create the pointer to function in a Golang? Ganga,
Firstly we have sir create pointer variable and then this pointer variable
no, I
pass
want to
the as
create
a
the
argument to
pointer
the function.
variable that point to the function. I want to declare, not a initialize and answer. Yeah.
pointer variable.
I think you guys are doing the same thing in a different way, like chicken tikka, chicken masala, chicken curry. Everywhere you are using chicken. The same here. Anything I am asking you, you are telling it is a ampersand operator, new function, initialization. But the carefully the listen to the question. What is meant by that question? What interview are expect from you? Yes, Shivangi, please mute. Who's is unmute? Shivangi, Shivangi. How to declare a pointer to function? Sheetal,
Sir, we can take. Yes, sir, we can take fair variable name, asterisk mark, and data type of function, like which type of parameter and going to which type of parameter we're going to pass, and return type which type of values function going to return that
how
data
to
type.
debug a pointer issue in a Golang? Yeah,
Debug
how to
pointer
debug a
issue.
pointer issue in a Golang?
Sorry, sir, I don't know about debugging
Yeah,
concept.
Ganga,
Using recover function, sir.
Deepak, Shubhangi. Okay, so now the debugging means what? To find out the where the wrong thing is happen. Means debugging. Wrong thing where is happening. Means you are doing a program and suddenly it gave some problem. Okay, so you are finding the where is the problem is occur. That is there is a process called as a debugging. So in a pointer, you can debug the issue. One of the method is checking the whether you are accessing a nil pointer or not. So one kind of debugging means suppose there is a issue come when accessing a pointer. So first step you need to check whether you are accessing a nil pointer or not. It's a one thing. That thing you have to tell here. Now second is there is some kind of tool like Dell tool or any other tools, or there is any package, a REST detector package, go run REST. So these things I not teach you, but these are the beyond your scope of a syllabus. So you need to explore the different thing regarding the same topic. Okay, because there is not possible to teach each and everything regarding a one topic in your throughout the course, because your course lifespan is a 7 month, and in that 7 month we not learn the all over technology. Okay, so guys, here your interviews are done from my side. Okay, so I will share you the answer sheet of this interview question, and what mistake you have did, you can see the answer sheet here, and prepare according to that. Okay, so it does not mean this interview is gone not well for you. It does not mean you will not selected in the real kind of interview. Okay, but this will become the base for you. Okay, so upon this base you can find out your mistakes, where you did the mistake, uh, create your judgments, learn from this interview, and prepare for the your real time interview which is going into the MNC. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining. The interview session is here, and I hope it will it was enjoyable, okay, for you. So is there anything to डिस्कस हियर? कुछ कहना है आपको या फिर कोई क्वेश्चन है आपके? Okay, okay, so guys, no worry. So tomorrow we have the interview on a topic of a struct. ठीक है? So just prepare for that well. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, sir.